library is thrilled to announce OneSearch, a way for you to look at all of the library database articles from one simple search box. Let me show you how. On the library homepage, you'll see the simple search box right here. You can immediately enter the keywords that you're researching for your assignment. Let's say we're looking at social media marketing. You would enter those keywords and then click search. Right away, you'll notice it looks like EBSCO because it's the same company, but now it's pulling from all of our databases, Gale, ProQuest, all of them. You'll see the search results right here in the middle. The great thing they've done is include research starters. This will give you a general overview, kind of an introduction to the subject if you don't know much about it. You can click on the title and you'll see a short article explaining whatever the topic is. If you end up using this in your assignment, make sure you get that APA reference over here on the right by clicking the Cite button and then selecting APA. Once you've got that APA reference in your general overview, you can go back to the search result list. Now here you're going to see all kinds of results, our online books, newspapers, journals. You can always narrow down your results by using the options over here on the left. Let's say you want to limit it to something that was published in the last 10 years. You can enter that information there and it'll definitely refine your results. You can also choose what kind of source type. Maybe you don't want to read magazines or newspapers. You just want to look at academic journals. You can check that box. And here you'll see all of the articles relevant to your search. Now let's say you see a title that looks promising and you want to click on the PDF full text to read the article. You'll be asked to sign in, so you just go ahead and log in. That lets them know that you are part of the Bethel community and that we have paid for you to have access. Now you'll see this login is a little bit different. It's a little updated from our last one, but it uses the same information. So make sure you click on Sign On with your Bethel University email address. This is just your Bethel email address, so you would enter the full email address and your password, and you'd be right in. Now, if you're having a little trouble, if you can't remember your password, or if for some reason it's not going through, you can always use the temporary login. Back here, you'll see temporary login. So you can go ahead and enter the temporary login that the librarian gave you. If you don't have the temporary library login and it's off hours, you can click Problems Signing In and Need Further Assistance. And right here on the Bethel website, you'll see a form to fill in, and it will immediately give you the temporary login. Once you're logged in, you'll see the full article right there. You can read it, download it to your computer by clicking this little button, print it off, whatever works best for you. You'll also be able to see that APA reference right over here. Please remember, if you have any questions or if you've looked for 5 minutes and haven't found something, to contact the librarians. We are glad to help and we're available 7 days a week.